Welcome to English by Mind Training, the podcast where your voice transforms into confidence, clarity, and natural American fluency. Imagine walking into a busy coffee shop in New York City, ordering your favorite drink, answering questions smoothly, and speaking so naturally that everyone understands you instantly. That level of fluency is not magic, it is training. And today, we are training one of the most powerful and most common verbs in American English, get, and its past form, got.
That's exactly right, Sarah. The word get is everywhere in American life. Native speakers use it in conversations, meetings, interviews, classrooms, and daily situations. When you master get and got, your English becomes smoother, faster, and more natural. You stop translating in your head and you start speaking automatically.
Let's begin with the first meaning of get, which is receive. Americans say, I get emails every morning. She gets messages from her team. They get support from their manager. This use is extremely common and very important.
And when we talk about the past, Americans use got. Yesterday, I got an important email. She got exciting news. They got approval for their plan. This shows something happened before now.
Another powerful meaning of get is become. Americans say, I get tired after work. He gets nervous before meetings. We get ready early. This shows change from one state to another.
In the past, Americans say got. I got tired after the meeting. She got nervous before the interview. They got ready quickly. This shows the change already happened.
Americans also use get to mean obtain. I get coffee every morning. He gets information online. We get results through practice. This is natural, everyday English.
And in the past, I got coffee before work. She got the information she needed. They got excellent results. This shows success and completion.
Another meaning of get is arrive. Americans say, I get home at 6. She gets to work early. They get there on time. This is very common in daily conversation.
In the past, Americans say got. I got home late yesterday. She got there safely. We got to the office early. This sounds natural and confident.
Americans also use get to mean understand. I get your idea. She gets the message. They get the lesson. This shows mental understanding.
And in the past, Americans say got. I got it immediately. She got the meaning. They got the point. This shows completed understanding.
This phrase, I get it, is extremely powerful. It shows confidence, clarity, and connection.
And the phrase, I got it, shows that understanding is complete.
Americans also use get in daily routines. I get up early. He gets dressed quickly. We get started on time. This describes normal daily actions.
In the past, Americans say got. I got up early yesterday. She got dressed fast. They got started immediately.
Americans also use get for improvement. I get stronger every day. She gets more confident with practice. They get better over time.
In the past, Americans say got. I got stronger last year. She got more confident after practice. They got better with experience.
Americans also use get for opportunities. I get chances to learn. She gets opportunities to grow. They get new experiences.
In the past, Americans say got. I got a great opportunity. She got her dream job. They got the chance they wanted.
Americans use get in commands. Get ready. Get focused. Get moving. These commands are powerful and direct.
These commands motivate action and confidence.
Americans use get in communication. I get calls every day. He gets emails from clients. They get feedback regularly.
In the past, Americans say got. I got a call yesterday. She got an email. They got important feedback.
Americans use get in travel. I get to the airport early. He gets to the station on time. They get home safely.
In the past, Americans say got. I got to the airport early. She got to the station. They got home safely.
Americans use get for emotional growth. I get inspired by leaders. She gets motivated by success. They get encouraged by progress.
In the past, Americans say got. I got inspired by a story. She got motivated by success. They got encouraged by results.
Americans use get for progress. I get closer to my goals. She gets better every day. They get stronger over time.
In the past, Americans say got. I got closer to success. She got better through practice. They got stronger through effort.
Americans use get for connection. I get you. She gets him. They get each other. This builds relationships.
In the past, Americans say got. I got what you meant. She got his message. They got the idea.
Now, remember the most important rule. Get is present tense.
Got is past tense.
Use get for now.
Use got for before.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Speak confidently.
Because confidence grows with practice.
Fluency grows with repetition.
Success grows with effort.
Every time you use get correctly, your brain builds a stronger English pattern.
Every time you use got correctly, your confidence increases.
You begin to sound natural.
You begin to sound fluent.
You begin to sound American.
This is the power of training your mind.
This is the power of repetition.
This is the power of belief.
Before we finish, say this with confidence. I get better every day.
Say this, I got stronger through practice.
Say this, I get closer to my goals.
Say this, I got the power to succeed.
Because your voice matters.
Your growth matters.
Your journey matters.
And your future matters.
Thank you for joining English by Mind Training.
Keep training your mind.
Keep building your confidence.
Keep growing your voice.
And remember this powerful truth.
You get stronger every day.
And you got this.